Sisal is a natural fiber rope. Biodegradable and economical fiber. Oil and chemical free. Safe for use with pets. Working load 180 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. My cat is enjoying it so far. The package contained more rope than I realized, which was a benefit. We replaced some sisal that had been well loved, well clawed and was hanging in wisps. My cat went right to the new stuff and started scratching away. Great for my indoor kitty. Cat's meow. Purchased this to replace the shredded sisal rope on my cat's scratching post. This is awesome stuff. Is more durable than the original and doesn't shred, and my cat loves it.